everybody. I am super excited because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Jelly Glitz eyeshadows. So if you want to see how they are made, keep on watching. If you like stuff like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's just get into it. So now I'm just prepping my area. I cleaned the table, washed my hands, used hand sanitizer, cleaned all my supplies, and I'm just getting everything laid out here. I did bring out this little press tile, but I didn't need it. So I already have the colors picked out that I want to use. I want to use these glitters from Handmade. There's a brownish color and then there's this bright orange color, and I want to mix them together to make like a Thanksgiving kind of shade. So the first ingredient I'm going to add is the silicone gel. I get my inspiration mostly for the formulas that I create from Humble Bee and Me. She is on YouTube and she just has the greatest content that gives me inspiration to create eyeshadows. So go ahead and check her out. The next ingredient is silicone elastomer. This is a powder ingredient and I'm adding just a tad bit of it. A lot of these ingredients are from TKB Trading. Check them out if you're interested in anything beauty related that you can make at home. Now I'm using the TKB Trading Mousse Medium. This is basically the whole base to the formula. I am just shaking the package up a little bit because the ingredients tend to settle in the bag. The next ingredient is glycerin. This is a vegetable based glycerin, and this one is from Rite Aid, but basically you can get them at any drugstore. Now I'm just adding the pigment or the glitter you choose. You don't want to add too much or too little. For me, I add 3 scoops of glitter. Now we just mix them all together. I wish I would have mixed the base first before adding the glitter, but either way it's all mixing together anyway. Just make sure every ingredient is mixed well. I really love the way this shade came out. At first I was like, this looks like straight up poop, but when it's swatched you can really see the orange in it, so I do really love this shade. I was definitely inspired by just like a Thanksgiving type shade. So if you guys have any name suggestions for this shade, comment down below. I will name it after the best one that I think fits with the Thanksgiving kind of theme. So comment down below, let me know. So now I'm just packing the product into the container, and this is what I use for the Jelly Glitz eyeshadows. You can use other kinds of packaging, but this one I like the most. This is a glass container. Also, I wanted to mention you should probably put a paper towel down when doing this, it can get real messy and you want to protect your surface or table or whatever you're using. So just make sure you put a paper towel down. Alright guys, here is the final product. It is so pretty. It's just Thanksgiving. I just love this shade. Now I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. This formula is tested to be long-lasting, blendable, and smudge-proof. Once it's dried down, it barely smudges. So I just love this formula and I need more people to try it. So go check them out on the site. They are just amazing. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what I should name this shade. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.